Hey there, fabulous ladies. Ever feel like you're running on caffeine and dry shampoo? Yeah, me too. Behind every successful woman is a basket of dirty laundry and a lot of emotional baggage. But guess what? You're not alone in this struggle. We've all been there, juggling a million things at once, feeling like we're on the verge of a breakdown. But here's the good news. Together, we can overcome the chaos and reclaim our sanity. It's time to break free from the cycle of exhaustion and embrace a life filled with joy, passion, and purpose. So grab your coffee, put on your superhero cape, and join me on this journey to empowerment. Because together, we're unstoppable. Are you ready to take the first step? Welcome to our vibrant, empowering place. I'm Stellar, and I invite you to fasten your seatbelts for this exciting journey we'll embark on, one that will lead you toward a healthier, happier, and more powerful life. So today we will talk about something we are all familiar with, physical and emotional exhaustion. Let's start by exploring how a typical woman finds herself emotionally drained and exhausted, and what exactly causes it. Picture this. You wake up in the morning feeling like you haven't been to bed all night, yet another day of juggling countless responsibilities lies ahead. Your to-do list wraps around the block several times, and just contemplating it saps what little energy you have left. From managing household chores to excelling in your career, nurturing relationships, and navigating societal expectations, the list seems endless. You feel emotionally drained, physically depleted, and stuck in a cycle that doesn't break. Add to that the pressure to maintain an Instagram-worthy facade of perfection, and it's no wonder you're left feeling utterly depleted. Sounds familiar? Take comfort in knowing that you are not alone, because most women go through this cycle of exhaustion and wonder how they will ever find a way out in the world. Causes of emotional exhaustion. 1. Breaking free from the superwoman syndrome. Societal expectations is now one of the leading causes of emotional exhaustion. Let's face it, ladies. We live in a world that glorifies the concept of the superwoman, someone who effortlessly juggles multiple roles while looking flawless 24/7. But the truth is, trying to live up to these unrealistic standards can leave us feeling drained and depleted. This leads to not taking care of one's own needs in favor of taking care of others. It's time to shatter the myth of perfection and embrace our imperfections as badges of honor. 2. Burnout in the workplace, navigating the corporate jungle. For many women, the workplace is a battleground where we constantly find themselves fighting for recognition and equality. From glass ceilings to microaggressions and unequal pay, the challenges can seem impossible. Emotional exhaustion grows over a few steps and often builds up from overcommitment and putting others' needs before our own. This is usually the stepping stone for most women into emotional exhaustion. Work stress, family responsibilities, societal pressures. It all just adds to that pool of chronic stress in which many women find themselves swimming every day. But fear not, because we will arm you with the tools and strategies you need to thrive in any professional environment. 3. Emotional labor, balancing caregiving with self-care. As natural caregivers, women often pour their emotional energy into nurturing others, whether they're children, partners, or aging parents. While caregiving can be incredibly rewarding, it can also be emotionally taxing, especially when we neglect our own needs in the process. That invisible load of managing your emotions and others' emotions. It's time to prioritize self-care and set boundaries that allow us to recharge our emotional batteries. Signs of emotional exhaustion. Being able to identify symptoms is, in fact, the very first step in overcoming emotional exhaustion. It may manifest as feelings of being overwhelmed or constantly tired, loss of concentration and decision-making abilities. Irritability and mood swings are common. One also sometimes shows impulsive reactions. Headaches or stomach-related problems, consequences of emotional and physical stress. As we are approaching the point of emotional exhaustion, our body feels it physically. Herein lies the explanation. Sleep disturbances, insomnia, or interrupted sleep. Chronic fatigue, abnormal fatigue that is not something you rest away from. Weakened immune system, higher susceptibility to illness. Muscle tension and pain, body aches and pains. The most common are in the neck, shoulders, and back. Concrete tips for empowering yourself. What can you do to break the cycle of physical exhaustion? Take action with the following steps: self-care and self-compassion. The first step toward empowerment is self-care and self-compassion. It sounds simple, but it is a powerful concept and might be difficult for ladies or women due to our commitment. Instead of criticizing ourselves for our perceived shortcomings, let's learn to treat ourselves with kindness, understanding, and forgiveness. Prioritize self-care activities that replenish your energy and nurture your well-being. This could include exercise, meditation, spending time with loved ones, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Remember, You are worthy of love and acceptance exactly as you are. Here's how you can help yourself concretely. Me time. Put in your calendar regular time to do things you enjoy and that make you feel good. Delegate tasks. Start sharing your responsibilities with your family or office colleagues. Self-compassion. Talk nicely to yourself. Tell yourself that you are trying and it is enough. Prioritize sleep. Create a calming nighttime routine and environment. Nourish your body. Ensure you're eating healthfully to nourish your body. Move regularly. Regular, gentle physical activity like walking or yoga. Setting boundaries. Say no without guilt. It's time to reclaim your power by setting clear and healthy boundaries in your life. Whether it's saying no to additional work assignments, toxic relationships, or unrealistic expectations, remember that your time and energy are precious commodities that deserve to be protected. You don't have to take on additional responsibilities. Take some time to reflect on what truly matters to you and what you value most in life. This will help you prioritize your time and energy accordingly. Let others know what you're comfortable with and not willing to tolerate. This helps prevent misunderstandings and resentment. When expressing your boundaries, use I statements to take ownership of your feelings and needs. For example, say, "I need some time to recharge," rather than, "You're asking too much of me." Be realistic about what you can handle, and don't be afraid to set limits on your time and availability. Learn to delegate tasks when possible and avoid overcommitting yourself. It's important to be firm in upholding your boundaries, but that doesn't mean you must be harsh or aggressive. Approach the situation with kindness and empathy, but remain steadfast in your decision. Emotional resilience. Resilience isn't about bouncing back from adversity as if nothing happened. It's about embracing the challenges life throws our way and using them as opportunities for growth and transformation. Adopting a growth mindset and reframing setbacks as valuable learning experiences will make you stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. Developing emotional resilience is the key to overcoming fatigue. Acknowledge and celebrate each time you successfully set and uphold a boundary. Recognize that it's a sign of strength and self-respect, and allow yourself to feel proud of taking steps towards prioritizing your well-being. Embrace the belief that challenges are opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as stepping stones on your personal and professional development journey. Identify healthy coping mechanisms that help you manage stress and regulate your emotions effectively. This could include journaling, exercise, creative expression, or spending time in nature. Be willing to adapt to changing circumstances and adjust your goals and plans accordingly. Flexibility is key to resilience, allowing you to bounce back from setbacks and navigate challenges gracefully. Practicing mindfulness. This is sometimes referred to as the mind-body connection. Stay present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations in the present moment. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and body scans can help you stay grounded and centered, even in adversity. It can induce a relaxation response in the body. Massage is my favorite. There are many ways you can do it. Mindfulness practices. Be mindful throughout your day. Gratitude. Journaling. Jot down things you are grateful for daily. Positive affirmations. Replace your negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Seek support. It's okay not to be okay. Seek support from friends, family, or therapists. Do not be shy about it. I get it. This sounds like lots of work, but pick one at a time and choose the one that works for you. Join a support network. Do not underestimate the power of connection and community. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family members, or mentors who can provide encouragement, guidance, and perspective during difficult times. A strong support network can help buffer the effects of stress and adversity. You don't have to do this alone. Building a strong support network can make a world of difference. Join support groups. Seek and attend support groups where you can share your experiences and seek support. Connect with like-minded women. Be a part of such activities and involve yourself with women who uplift and inspire you. Communicate openly. Share feelings and challenges with a trusted friend or family member. Sharing your journey toward empowerment can be a source of inspiration to others. For starters, you can share your story in the comment below about how you feel now, or if you need a community. Let me tell you about myself. I was once in this turmoil, suffering from burnout and balancing a corporate. I realized that what matters is my health, family, and financial freedom. I then adapted to some important self-care strategies, set boundaries, and eventually began seeking and accepting support. I changed her lifestyle and now mentor other women with similar experiences. Your story could be next. Remember, these success stories are not out of reach. You can overcome exhaustion and lead an empowered life with dedication and the right strategies. Your story could be the next inspiration for others. Embark on a transformative self-discovery and growth. Here's how you take it head-on. Define what personal growth means to you and set achievable goals. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks and celebrate your progress. Setting realistic expectations for yourself can help prevent feelings of overwhelm and burnout. Engage continuously in activities that keep you in the learning and self-improvement process. Keep things in perspective by reframing negative thoughts and focusing on the positives in your life. Cultivate gratitude for the things you have and remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. Acknowledge and celebrate your successes, no matter how tiny. Finding your passion and purpose can help get your energy and enthusiasm back on track. Connect with your values, passions, and sense of purpose to find meaning in difficult situations. A clear sense of purpose can provide motivation and resilience during tough times. Reflect on past experiences and identify lessons learned from adversity. Use these insights to inform your approach to future challenges and trust your ability to overcome obstacles with resilience and determination. Engage in new hobbies or activities of interest to you. Get engaged in volunteer work that matches your value. And take up career opportunities that make you thrilled and challenged. Final tips for sustained empowerment. Always keep checking on your emotional and physical state. How to do this? Periodic check-ins. Ask yourself how you are feeling and your energy level, periodically. Adjust as needed. Change your routine whenever necessary to keep yourself balanced. Seek professional help. Contact a professional for support when you feel overwhelmed. Cultivate joy and happiness. Make joy and happiness a priority in your life. Engage in activities that bring you joy and laughter. Spend quality time with loved ones. Engage in reflection about positive aspects of your life. Empower yourself and inspire others. And there you have it, ladies. A comprehensive guide to overcoming physical and emotional exhaustion and stepping into your power as empowered women. Remember, the journey to empowerment is not a sprint but a marathon. So be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never underestimate the power of your own resilience. Together we can break free from exhaustion and embrace a life filled with purpose, passion, and joy. By building awareness of physical and emotional exhaustion symptoms and taking concrete steps to overcome these conditions, you can break free from the cycle and reclaim your energy and zest for living. After all, you must care for yourself to be your best for those you love. Ladies, you are powerful, resilient, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Overcoming emotional and physical exhaustion is a journey, but it's one that you don't have to take alone. Remember, every small step towards self-care and empowerment brings you closer to a healthier, happier life. Take action. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Join our community of empowered women, and let's support each other on this incredible journey. Leave them with a lasting message. Until next time, take care and remember to always be stellar. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay empowered, fabulous ladies.